Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use Gemini in Microsoft Excel. So here I have opened up Excel. Now once you're here, click on this add-ins button right here, and in here search for GPT for Excel Word. This is the exact wording that you would use. This one would show right here. So just add this add-in and after that click on it. After which it would ask you to log in using your Gmail account. Do that, and after that, once you're here, click on GPT functions right here on the right side. Now, once you're here, click on model settings right here, and in here, click on this drop down menu right here, and in here, scroll down and select Gemini 2.5 Flash or another Gemini model if available. And after that, just click on this button right here, and Gemini would be selected. After that, go back to agent and type in a prompt. So that is how you can use Gemini in Microsoft Excel.